Okay, so first I need to tie my hair up, I need to roll my sleeves up, and I need to give my hands a good wash with some soap and water. I've already washed these, but I'm just doing a quick demonstration. Then after that, we need to preheat our oven to 180 degrees. So we'll go over and do that now. So we'll preheat this to 180 degrees. So first, we are going to get all of our ingredients. We've got our self-raising flour, our caster sugar, our 2 eggs, and our milk. Oh, I need to get my butter from the fridge as well. And we've got our recipe out ready to look at as well. Okay, so that's our first step. So we've weighed out our butter. Now we are cracking the eggs carefully. Let's have a look. Oh, I hope I haven't got any shell in there. And then crack the other egg. We needed 2 eggs. And separate it with both hands. Oh, pick it up quickly. Oh, we need to separate it. Oh, well done. Need to make sure. Now we are going to whisk together the eggs, the sugar and the butter. After that, the mixture should be all smooth and ready to put into our bun cases. And carefully put a spoonful into each of the bun cases. Then I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes and check them after 10 minutes. The recipe says between 10 and 15, but I want to check after 10 just to check. So whilst our cupcakes are in the oven cooking, now I'm going to check them for 10 minutes, after 10 minutes, but whilst we're waiting for that, we are going to wash up all of the things that we've used, just to clear our kitchen, wipe all our surfaces, and then we are done with our cleaning. I've got a good helper here washing me up today, haven't I? Yeah? Thank you. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes now, so we're just going to check on our cupcakes now to see how they're looking. Always put an oven glove on and get a grown-up to do this for you. Oh, they're not looking quite ready yet, so we're going to give that another 2 more minutes, okay? We're now going to leave our cupcakes to cool before we can decorate them.